So here we have phlox, and we're going to see in the garden today a lot of phlox, and it all came from one pot. This is April, zone 7. Mid-morning. Beautiful colors on the Japanese maples. A mix of red Japanese maples and blue conifers, green plants. We have a juga, and then a lot of phlox. Phlox is matched with candy tuft, the white candy tuft. And there's a green plant in the middle to mix it up. But this is tremendous. The phlox just blooms for 2 or 3 weeks. And this is the driveway, and so you have phlox on the other side. Great myrtle bark is just good at eye level. And we're seeing into the front garden. You really see the reds. And you have the beautiful flowers and seed pods. This one has already created seeds. I love the lichen growing on the statuary and the bark. And we have more phlox from one pot about 20 years ago. This blue Atlas cedar, that's the main trunk. 2 main branches going over this gate. And even here is a little pot, and it has a juga blooming. You see it at eye level. Here's a white Japanese maple, floating clouds. And it really is beautiful in the morning light. It's a real contrast from all the other colors. Sort of a cream color. Here's a goat I've never noticed before. Red bud. And this is Hosta heaven. They're just popping up now. Azalea. And now we're in the back garden. Another nice water feature with a double waterfall. Azaleas, Japanese maples coming out green and red. Viburnum in the background. Cascading phlox. Azalea, redbud. This Japanese maple has a great color coming out. It's sort of a russet, not quite red, not quite pink, sort of a pinkish red. Andromeda's coming out with new growth, being red. Hostas are coming up. Beautiful branching in this Japanese maple. This is one Japanese maple that he has pruned so you can see through it, and so it's like larger on each side, so it's like two Japanese maples. The viburnum snowball bush is a great background for these colors. Another great form with the Japanese maple. You see how it's open. You can see the wonderfully complex branching structure. Beautiful. That's Mahonia. This is prairie fire crabapple, very young. A red bud in the distance. Now it doesn't look red, does it? It looks more purple or lavender. It's called red bud because when the buds are really small, they are red. And this is beautiful. Often with the red Japanese maples, when they are backlit like this, they glow with a nicer red. So that is a great view of how this has been pruned, and it lets you see the structure, and you can capture the backlit color. Just beautiful.